Hi, my name is Del. I have ascended Spinal Flow in Hope Island on the Gold Coast. And my healing story is of this absolutely beautiful 14-year-old boy who was really struggling with growing pains through puberty, as well as clarity and brain fog at school. And he had quite a curvature in his spine. Not that I ever mentioned that to him or his family, but you could see the shadow of his spine and how it curved in his back, and it caused a lot of pains in his legs at school when he was running in marathons and stuff. So I was seeing him 3 times a week for about 1 month, and after that period of time, his back really straightened up, his entire posture changed, and he had no more pain in his legs when he was running at all at school anymore. So he was really able to continue on with his sports and his football and all of his active stuff without being hindered by that anymore. But what was especially fantastic was just how his smile was so much bigger and brighter at the end of that time period. He was able to think with a lot more clarity at school. His grades were increasing, and he was just an entirely different young man. And yeah, his family, his mother came to me and just gave me the biggest hug, and she had tears in her eyes, and she just gave me so much thanks and love for changing her son's life. And it was just absolutely amazing. That's just a few of the little things that Spinal Flow can do.